Okay, I think we got a good fish here.
No, he's gone.
Oh.
No, he's still there.
Oh, he still got her.
I don't know what it is, David. She's big.
Take your time. Don't lose this fucker. We got something big down here.
He pulled like 30 feet away, man.
Cool, cool. Let's get a look right down inside here so we can see something. Doesn't look like it. Oh, get some action shot here. Oh yeah, she's looking good. Don't lose the bad boy.
I hope he doesn't have to line because it's going to get cut right away.
That's definitely not a perch.
It's bigger than that last one.
Right on. Yeah.
Right on, buddy.
Looking right.
What is this thing?
I don't know.
Oh, there it is. Big pike, man. Holy shit.
Whoa.
Holy shit, man.
Yeah, I saw that. Yeah, he's taking line. Look at him go. Take your time. He swallowed the hook.
Did he?
Looked like it. That's a big fucking pike.
Oh, I know it is, man.
Take your time. Want me to scoop some of that ice out of there? Yeah, that's true.
Oh, I need a gaff, man.
Shit, I'll fucking stick my hand in there.
Maybe I should.
I don't know, just throw on there. Let's get another fucking wide angle shot here. Look at that action. Oh yeah. Yeah, that looks fucking good.
Come into that hole, man.
Oh, that's okay. We got all fucking day.
Yeah, not until he cuts my line, though. That's all I'm worried about. He's so good, I think.
Not a very big hook. It's definitely not a very big hook.
No wonder the perch action stopped.
Yeah, it's a big fucker. It's big too. There he is. There he is. Here he comes.
Holy fuck, he's barely.
Oh, yeah, baby!
Baby! Whoa!
Yeah!
Motherfucker, that's big! That beats my 20-pounder.
Look at that puppy!
Look at the hook drag.
Woo!
Yeah.
Look at that. Flip her over, let's get the fucking camera on her.
Well, let's
No, leave the hook in there for a sec. Let's get this fucking on camera.
Holy shit, man, we gotta get this on scale, man.
Just wait. It's focusing. Look at that, barely hooked.
Pig.
Barely hooked.
Pig, man.
Okay, let's flip her over and get a good look at her. Sure.
Just, oh man,
Yeah.
check that out. It's all twisted and bent and shit, man. Look at that thing. It's not even.
Okay, hold her still.
Look at that.
Okay, flip that sucker over. Let's have a good look at her.
Snipe Lake is fucking awesome.
Okay, hold her like this. Nice. Look at that. That's a shark of the north. That's what we come here for.
Oh, looks like somebody might be coming back there.
Nice, nice. Good job, Dennis. Well, let's get that sucker on the scale and see how much she weighs. That's a hog.
I think I got my 20 beat, Dave. What do you think?
Yep.
I'm guessing 25.
This is what it's all about, boys and girls.
Oh, I gotta change this. I wonder if that's the one that got away last time, Dave.
Could be. She's fat. Right on. Grab the scale.
I am.
That's a hog. That's a hog.
Man, when I seen that thing's head come into the fucking hole,
Yeah.
I was like, oh my god. Oh, I'm glad I landed her.
Yeah.
No, 18 and a half.
18 and a half pounds, boys and girls. Still, that's a hog. Doesn't have our biggest pike done, but
19.
19 pounds, just
Yeah.
about. 20 is our
Right on
best.
the money. It's 19 on the money.
20 is our best. This is second best.
Our best one ice fishing though.
Best ice fishing, you bet. That's a hog.
That's full of perch, man.
Oh yeah.
Look at that belly on that
That's
thing.
fucking fat. We're gonna have to gut her open and
That
check
seems
her out.
bigger than that 20 pounder.
It does. It does. Nice job. High fives all around. Okay, well, that's it for now. Hopefully we'll catch something more.